I got this.
Hello everybody, my name is Derp and welcome to a video. Today I'm playing Virtual Beggar. I love this game.
Aren't you going to tell them who you're playing with?
I'm playing with Felix,
AKA Sheer Cheese. I meant Sheer
Cheer Cheese.
That's my Xbox name, by the way.
Small Fire. Okay. So now
we're just in school right now. It's the end of the day though.
Yeah. So last time we bought a fridge. Some kid tried to steal all my information, but then
God.
I didn't.
I love
because I just procrastinated.
I'm just touching this lime right now.
You weird.
What are weird? Whoa, Ghostbusters.
Okay, let's fix the coffee machine. You put out a small fire.
Wait, you already made a video about this?
Control. Yeah.
Awesome.
You should really see. I actually made up for a lot of videos. I made up a lot of videos just because I haven't been recording for a few months.
Okay.
Okay, so let's chat with a stranger.
Okay.
Let's see who's today's lucky stranger.
Let me type something.
Don't touch my. Go wash your hands.
Wash my hands.
Go wash your hands. So.
BRB.
Oh look, rainbow beard. Hello.
Okay, the bottom half is ready now. If it goes up, her entry belt is going to yell. There you go. Give her some time so the thermometer goes down.
Everybody got their stuff all ready to go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Louis, what is that right in front of you?
Yes. It's Felix's.
Oh, okay. Felix, is that trash or something?
No, they didn't try. Oh, I think that's the thing that they've been trying to figure out.
No, it's Jello.
No, the red cup's trash.
Okay, my hands are washed. I got proof. Okay.
Very, it's the best. We're having a.
Here. One.
And
We one dance with me.
I'm 13. I was abused 3 times.
What?
Next. It's like next.
He just moved up. I'm 13. I was abused 3 times. He just zooms into our face. I don't care.
Oh look, there's a guy who looks exactly like me.
I need the bus riders to line up.
Look, it's time for us to leave, guys.
The
You get all your stuff?
real one.
Oh, both of our parents are here, so we can still play the video.
I am the real one. I am the real one. MRF. What? I don't understand this, so I don't even know what's going on here. What is life? Also, here, take a spoon for that Jello. Male or female?
From it, right?
Okay.
Blue, you didn't eat from it, right?
No.
Bye, guys.
Alien.
Felix.
Get the stepping children.
Jenny, I got your stuff here. You need to get ready now.
Blue's, come on.
I'm already ready. I'm just waiting for my ticket.
Yeah, I know you are.
He's like male or female, and I just say alien.
Sit out front, okay?
Hey yo, Felix. He says, hey yo, Felix. He says, am I male or female? And then I just say alien, and then 3 seconds later he leaves the room. Hello. Hi, sweetie.
Mom, what happened with the walking distance?
Oh, Daddy hasn't called me back with any, but if he drinks all of that, he's gonna pee furious. He's gonna pee a lot. That's why we only serve him like in cups. So the Walking Dead thing?
Felix. I got to have a bath.
Oh, Felix is calling me.